Hey guys, first me and Amy want to say thank you for everybody who liked and subscribed to our video. We don't do this to make money, we just do it to share our experiences, and our Skoolie video has gone over really well. We got like 22,000 views on it. So thanks for everybody who subscribed and liked the video. Today what we're going to do, we got this new inverter generator for our Skoolie, and it is a Pulsar 2000 watt inverter generator. It's supposed to be comparable to the Honda EU 2000, but it is much cheaper. We got this, I mentioned in our last video about how we saved money building our Skoolie, and one of the ways was using eBay coupons. We usually use Amazon, but with eBay they usually have a coupon every once a week, twice a week, and Amy found a coupon on eBay for Father's Day, and it was 20% off anything. So we got this Pulsar generator for about, I think it was $275 shipped, which if you look at the Honda EU 2000, you're going to pay around $1,000 for it. So we got this basically to run our air conditioning on, or anything else we need to. We found on our trip, and we'll be doing another video soon recapping our trip out to Colorado, but we found that with our solar it ran everything we needed and we had more than enough power left over. But we got this just for these summer trips we're going to be taking, so we can run the air conditioner. So I'm going to unbox this, get it out, and we'll take a look at it. Okay, so we unboxed the generator. This is what it comes with. It comes with its own oil. It comes with a spark plug wrench. It comes with a little cigarette lighter adapter with alligator clips, so you can charge battery, whatever you need to do. And then a handy little funnel for the oil. On the directions, it says to remove the back panel to fill it with oil, which you obviously need to do before you run it. But even though it says back panel, it's the side panel. It even shows the panel here. I didn't look close enough, so I removed the back panel first. So it's the little oil filler and dipsticks right down here on the side. Just take out 2 screws. We've got it filled up with oil. One thing I wanted to mention is I saw this on another YouTuber's channel. I think it might have been Wrangler Star. They sell these little pumps for gas, antifreeze, whatever at Walmart. They sell them on Amazon, and this has been a lifesaver around our little farm. Just takes 2 AA batteries. You stick the little one down in your fuel tank, flip the switch on, and it makes filling stuff so easy. You don't have any spillage, and it's really great. So this generator, we got filled with gas, we got filled with oil. We have not tried to start it yet. It's got the fuel switch on off on the gas cap, kind of like the Honda has. On the front here, have a USB port. We have the little connections for the parallel connection, so you can run 2 generators. Got 2 circuit breakers, economy mode on and off, a cigarette lighter adapter, and then just 2 outlets that are 13 amps each. So I think that's about it. I'm going to switch on choke, and we'll see how easy this thing is to start and how quiet it is once it's running. 3 pulls, not bad. That's it running. I believe that's on economy mode. I'll turn it off. It'll probably rev up just like the Honda does. No, that evidently that was the full power. So you can tell it's pretty quiet. You can hear me over it. It sounds almost like a little moped running. So when we set it walk away, you can tell it's not too bad. We'll give it a shot with our air conditioner and trying some of our other appliances. I'm sure it's going to do fine. It started right up and runs good. It's got 5-star reviews on eBay. So for the price difference, I think it's going to be a really great generator for the money we paid for it, for under $300. Okay, so we got the generator, we got the oil in it, we got the fuel in it, we test started it. So now the test is to try to run our air conditioner off of it, and we basically figure if it'll run our air conditioner, it'll run pretty much anything we need. So got it plugged in here. to our side, it goes into our power system, and the transfer switch should kick on and start taking power from the generator instead of the solar. And I've got the solar turned off right now, so it should only draw from that. So I'm going to go around here and start it, and we'll make sure that it runs it. And I have it, I'm going to leave it on economy mode, and it should kick in whenever I turn on the air conditioner and go up to whatever RPM it needs to run the air conditioner. So it looks like the air conditioner, hi buddy, has already powered on. It transferred over really fast. So it's got power. Now it's just time to test it. And it threw the breaker. Okay, so I turned it on economy mode, and it did not kick in and run up to the RPM it needed. And it said it overloaded the generator, so I went, shut the generator off, checked the breakers. None of the breakers tripped, but it just wouldn't run and it showed overload. So I restarted the generator, turned it off of economy mode, so it's running at full RPM now. And we're gonna try it again. Alright, so it's running it just fine. I guess the key to it is that you can't have it on economy mode when you start the air conditioner up. So I guess I could probably go out there and flip the economy switch back off, and it would idle back down to whatever RPM it needed to maintain. But really all we needed to know was if it would run this air conditioner, and it will. So looks like it was a good investment. We'll be able to take our Skoolie out anywhere this summer and have air conditioning when we need it, and be a real fuel efficient little generator to get us by in case we need auxiliary power. Okay, so just a quick little follow-up here. After the video ended, I switched the generator back onto economy mode while the air conditioner was running, and it did run fine, but somewhere in the cycle the compressor on the air conditioner kicked off, and it was still running fine, but as soon as the compressor on the air conditioner kicked back on with the generator on economy mode, it overloaded the generator again. So I guess the lesson to be learned is if you are going to run something that high of wattage, I believe the air conditioner is around 8,000 BTU. It's a Hair air conditioner that we got on Amazon. It's a freestanding portable air conditioner. So I guess with it running 1200 whatever watts and the generator is 1600 and 2000 peak, you cannot run it on economy mode. You have to run it on just the full mode, so you won't be saving any gas that way, but that's just what it takes. So the other smaller appliances you would run wouldn't have any problem. So it does run what we need it to run, and I think it'll be good for us. We just, when we're running the air conditioner, we can't have it on the economy mode. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you like it, subscribe, like the video, leave us any comments. Like I said before, we are not a monetized channel. We don't make any money. We don't have sponsors. The only reason we're doing this is to show our experiences with different products that we've used, what we've done in our build. So hopefully we can help others. So anyway, thank you.